Hey guys, it's Jeff. So I got another quick video for you. This is going to be on the Sig P250 and whether it's still a viable option in 2019, coming up after this. Hey guys, I'm back. So before you have the Sig P250. This is a polymer frame pistol. This is a modular frame system that came out prior to the Sig P320. It has since been replaced by the Sig P320, and the Sig P320 has gone on to become the sidearm of the U.S. military after the weapons trials that gained a lot of publicity a couple of years ago, beating out the Glock. Now, the modular pistol is an innovative design, and basically what it's doing is, if you're not familiar with it, it's taking the serial numbered part right here, which is basically all the firing control mechanisms that you've come to know in the pistol, and made them removable so that you could then put them into a different chassis system depending on your use. So if you want a full-size pistol, a 5-inch pistol, you can have it here. If you want a 4-inch pistol, you've got that. And then if you want a 3.5-inch pistol or so, you've got this here. So 2019, can you still get them? Well, the only place to find these pistols now is going to be on the secondhand market. And the market rate in my area is around $400. So if you're looking to pick one of these up, now that's no accessories, just the pistol itself is about $400. So if you're looking to pick one of these up, that's about what you're going to pay for one of these. I have the 9mm. They come in 40, 357 Sig. They come in 380. There's a 22 conversion for them. Basically, there's a lot of different calibers that you can get this pistol in. But this is just going to be on the 9mm. Why would you want to continue to get a gun like this? Well, you want to get a gun like this because it offers something for people who are not very satisfied with a are not satisfied with a striker fired only pistol. This offers a exposed hammer back here, and this is clear, this is safe. It is double action only, so you pull the trigger every single time, it's going to go bang. Now, some people like that. Some people want that. Other people don't. If this is what you want, this is a nice gun to have. Some people like the modularity, the ability to take this serial numbered part, move it into either one of these chassis, and have the same gun for multiple uses. That's one of the reasons that attracted me to it. I can carry it in a 5-inch full-size frame with a full-size slide, or I can carry it in a compact or subcompact. Your mileage may vary. This is what I've got. So the magazines, you're going to have to get magazines that fit with the corresponding slides. This is a 17, 15, and a 12-round magazine. So that's something to take into consideration. However, the magazines are interchangeable. So if you want to go with a little bit longer magazine, that you can get a sleeve that covers that. And likewise, you can go full 17 in a compact, or a subcompact rather. But again, you're going to have to get the sleeve. So is this something that you may want to consider? Well, it's still a good gun. Double action only. It's a great firing pistol. The only downside is you can't get a replacement trigger for these anymore. There were some aftermarket triggers that were on the market for a while that you could replace this with, like a flat face trigger with a lower trigger pull weight, but those have been discontinued when the firearm was discontinued, and so you're not going to be able to replace the trigger. That's a huge downside for a lot of people. Still a good gun. Overall, I would recommend it if you can pick it up for 400 bucks. The aftermarket kits are going to be anywhere from $200 to $400. You can still find those new. And then magazines are still going to be what the magazines are because they work in the 320 as well. As for the grip modules, they also work in the 320. So you're going to probably pay market or secondhand prices are going to be a little less, but because they still work in the 320, they are still in demand. A lot of people have gotten away from the exposed hammer. They don't like the double action only. They like the striker only. And because of that, if you are okay with this, this is still a great gun to have. Anyway, that's all I got, guys. I'm not gonna beat this one to death. I just wanted to kind of cover if the Sig 250 is still a viable option in 2019, and I would say it is. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. If you want to follow me on my other social media platforms, you can find me on Instagram, Gunstreamer, BitChute, and on Facebook.com. Look for Jeff_Tack on all those platforms, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.